And we're on.
Sexy.
Welcome.
Oh,
Not now, I'm busy. In a minute.
Okay. He has something to say, everybody.
Welcome.
alrighty then.
Welcome to my chambers.
That's right.
To the love den
There should be a
of the
fireplace.
Trash Cowboys. Another honest, soft evening. My nipples being
It is a very nice nipple. Show me your shaved area, which I shaved.
There's
Oh, yeah, they were shaving you earlier.
I want to tongue your button.
Outside of the constant abuse that I endure,
Squeeze your nipple, makes you want to squeeze your sausage.
we brought our romantic, operatic, love-making sounds.
I shaved my ass.
What's it taste like?
Oh,
like Brad's ass.
To the Las Vegas Country Saloon this evening.
that was it.
And bleached.
I'd like to thank you all for attending.
No, you know what? It's not bleached. It's just white.
I raise a
White
glass
as
of
fuck.
Chablis to all of you.
Salud.
Yeah,
Sample the
probably where I
Chablis.
have to
Viva
bleach.
Las Vegas. And the
Viva.
Trash
Lucky for
Cowboys.
If only my hometown boy, Wayne Newton, could have been there.
Oh, maybe next time. That's a good one.
No.
No.
He's
No.
Really old.
He's really cool.
He's got a cool helicopter he's in.
We'd like to lubricate all your holes at our next event.
He's talking to
Come
me.
out, bring your orifices ready
Are you
for our
talking to me?
lubrication. Yes.
Sweet!
Tomorrow, Tommy Rockers.
Only 5
Anally!
Ah.